Hey there, gadget gurus. Welcome to our digital den where we talk tech with a twist of fun. Today, we're not just reviewing a phone. We're meeting a new member of our tech family, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13R. So grab your popcorn because this is going to be a blockbuster of features and specs. Let's roll out the red carpet for the Redmi Note 13R. Design dynamics. First up, let's talk style. The Redmi Note 13R doesn't just walk into the room, it struts in with confidence. With a 6.79-inch FHD Plus display that shines brighter than my future at 550 nits, and a 120Hz refresh rate that's smoother than my dance moves, this phone is all about that bling and zing. Performance power play. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, 4nm, that's more reliable than my last relationship. And with up to 12 gigabytes RAM and a whopping 512 gigabytes storage, you can forget about lags and say hello to lightning-fast speed. Camera chronicles. Now, let's snap to the camera. A 50-megapixel primary sensor that captures life's moments like a pro. And for those tiny wonders, a 2-megapixel macro lens is your magnifying glass to the world. Selfie lovers, we haven't forgotten you. An 8-megapixel front camera ensures your selfie game is on point. Battery banter. Battery anxiety? Not here. With a 5030 30mAh powerhouse and 33-watt fast charging, the Redmi Note 13R is like that friend who's always charged up for adventures. All right, folks, time for a pop quiz. If you had to choose one feature of the Redmi Note 13R to take to a deserted island, what would it be? The dazzling display, the snappy Snapdragon, or the colossal camera? Drop your answers in the comments and let's see which feature wins the deserted island challenge. So, after our tech tango with the Redmi Note 13R, what's the verdict? It's a budget-friendly beast that doesn't skimp on style or substance. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone who appreciates a good gadget, this phone might just be your next tech crush. If you had as much fun as we did, smash that like button with the passion of 1,000 clicks. Share this video with your fellow tech lovers. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and ring that bell because our tech party is just getting started.